Hi my friends, this is Ian. I want to do this training video and it's all to do with capture forms and telephone numbers, because some people want to use and capture people's telephone number because they live in their country and they want to phone them. Okay, so if that's what you want to do, then that is up to you. So what we do, we go over to the Pro Tools by clicking on it. Click on the autoresponder and it takes us straight through to the autoresponder program. Right, so what we're going to do, we're going to create a test. I'm not going to do a full showing you how to build templates or anything like that. This is simply how to add a phone number on your form. So I'm going to call this form with phone. Okay, that's all I'm going to do. And we're going to click create. And step 2 is to pick a template. So we'll click there and we go down to my friend Steve and we're going to click on there. Okay, I've just chosen that template. You can choose whatever you wish. So at the moment, form with phone, if I click on there and I look at the capture page link, this is what we've got. Okay, we're not going to bother about changing all this. All we're bothered about is the form. So here goes. So what we do, we click on here, we click on the settings, and then we click yes, we want to collect phone numbers. And that's all I'm going to alter on this page. So we click update the settings. So we go over here and we refresh that page, and there we have phone. So people can fill in their name, their email, and also their phone. Now, if you don't like the look of this here, we can make it prettier by using one of Martin's tools. So if we go to Advanced Tools and click Inline Form Generator, we can do this. Now, what we've got to do is look at this code at the top. Let me just show you that. I'm going to go up to the top. So I need my username, which is BuilderBiz, and I need this ID. So I'm going to copy that. Okay, and then I'm going to come down. Oops, let's grab hold to this somehow. Oh, it's being awkward. Come down to there. Right, now, open that up. So, I need that going in there. And I need my username going in there. Build a biz. Okay. And then we need to click that because we're having a phone number. And I'm going to make this round about 300. And that is all I'm going to do, except for this really irritates me, this color green. I'm just going to make it blue, any blue, and that's it. And I think what I will do, because square irritates me, I like these round corners just here. So I'm just going to click on there to make the corners round on my button, okay? And that's all we're going to do. Now what we're going to do is to left click on there, and you've got all this gobbledygooch. Okay, we click copy the clipboard. Okay, then we're going to close this down. We've already copied it. Now then, where's that gone? I know. Here it is. And we're going to go over here, and what we're going to do here, I'm going to remove this in the WYSIWYG. This is what we call a WYSIWYG editor, and this is your capture page form. And that picks up the form, okay? So we're going to left click to the left of that, and we're going to click backspace. And that's got rid of it, okay? Then I'm going to one more to end up there at the end of this information. And then I'm going to just click enter, and it puts me one underneath, which is a good space. And then what I'm going to do is put a series of any letters, M's. That'll do. And I should be able to find that. So now I'm going to click on this button to make it bigger. Then I'm going to click on the source. And then we're looking for these M's just here. And what we can do now is, right at the end, highlight them by dragging your left mouse. I don't want that bit. That's it. All the M's. And then I'm going to click Control V. Okay. And then I'm going to go to Source. And now you can see that newer type of form in there. And we're going to click Save. Now when we go to our page, you think, oh, it's not changed. But what we need to do is do a refresh. So there's a refresh button in the top. Let me just show you just here. Or you can do a hard refresh, which is better, I think. And what you do is hold your finger on Control key, which is bottom left, and then you click and hold the Alt and then R. And that's the wrong one. I've given you the wrong information. Hold down the Control and then the FN button, Function, and then R. And that's it. Okay? And that's done a hard refresh. So now what you see is the new form on it. Okay, it is slightly bigger, so you have to take that into consideration. So now what you've got is the name, the email, and the phone number in a more modern style form. Okay, so I'm hoping that helps you, but that's how we do it over at Buildabiz Online. What I would like you to do now, after looking at this video, I would like you to subscribe to our channel, and it's got nothing to do with money. I've got all your contact details in the admin area. Okay, so I'm not after your contact details. I've already got them. Okay, all it's to do with is you, every time I make a new video, you will get a notification and you'll be one of the first to learn before anybody else that has not subscribed. And also what I would like you to do on the videos is to click the like or the thumbs up or the thumbs down, whichever. I'm not fussed. If I get some thumb down, then I know I need to alter something. And also, I'd like you to comment. Under this video, I want you to tell me in the comments which is your favorite Buildabiz Online tool. That's what I want you to do. So which is your favorite Buildabiz Online tool? Thanks for listening. Bye for now. See you in the next training video.